This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides. Here's how to change the boring background color on your iPad to a good photo from your own collection. Open the iPad, tap the settings icon, and then scroll down on the left till you come to wallpaper. There's a button that says Add New Wallpaper. Tap that. And then you can see suggested photos. So I'm going to take the photos of these trees on the water and the swan. You can do things like you can change the styles on the bottom, like this is the black and white version of the same photo. But if you want to choose a completely different photo, tap the Photos icon in the lower right corner. It takes a minute to open up. And then you can see more of the featured photos that you have. You can actually go to every single photo in your collection, or you can search for something. But like, let's say I want to have this cat as my featured photo on my iPad. I just tapped it. If I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to tap the Add button in the upper right corner. Then I'm going to tap Set as Wallpaper Pair, which means that it will be on the lock screen and in the background of the iPad when it's on. And let's see what it looks like. You're done. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and to follow me, and I'll see you next time.